Y'all, I just need to tell you about one of my newest favorite higher protein, low sugar treats ever. It's like one of my favorite, absolute most favorite treats. And it's very low sugar and higher protein, 23 grams, 7 grams, and I think less than 10 grams of sugar combined, plus a little bit of crunch when I add my pumpkin flax granola. That is my favorite. Love this. You don't even have to do a full serving, just a little sprinkle crunch. And then if you need it a little sweeter, I don't always, but if you do need it a little sweeter, add a little bit of honey. This is phenomenal. All right, let me show you how to make it. Super, super simple. So I get the Oikos Pro Greek yogurt, which is 23 grams of protein per serving. And basically I do about equal parts. So if I do 2 spoonfuls, I'm probably going to do like 3 heaping spoonfuls of yogurt. I'm going to do about the same in peanut butter. About. A little less peanut butter than yogurt, but it's about. So there is, this will probably be 2 bowls actually. I usually do between 2 and 3, but that was a little bit more heaping than I usually do. Then the peanut butter. And I'm probably going to need a whole other spoon for peanut butter, because this one's almost empty. So get the peanut butter out. I am a little bit of a peanut butter snob. There's a lot more others out there that probably are a little bit better for you than the Skippy Naturals. Oh, I might have just enough. We have just about 3 spoonfuls in here, and this is going to be donezo. Oh, okay, so 3 scoops of peanut butter, 3 scoopers of yogurt. And now what you're going to do is mix the heck out of it. This guy got to go to the recycling once I get him cleaned out. Okay, so what you start doing is you mix it together. It's going to become almost like this cheesecake consistency, like a whipped cheesecake consistency. And let me tell you, if it does not taste like a whipped peanut butter cheesecake, it's like this, like, best. Like, you can see the consistency starting to change. It is like the best peanut butter mousse ever. And there's no added sugars other than what's in the individual products, which again, less than 10 grams. And then a ton of protein. Look at this. It whips up into this cheesecakey, frothy goodness. This is the best dessert ever, as I'm trying to come up with more high protein, low sugar ways to do things. My friends, this is it. Enjoy the moments.